Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide apps on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the security app on your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe down and tap on Hide Apps. Now from here, just enable this toggle of the app which you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here, once you enable this toggle, just go to your home screen. Now from here, if you open the app drawer and if you search for the app, you will not find the app on your app drawer or on the home screen. Now to find the hidden apps on your smartphone, just pinch the home screen on your smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, you can get access of the hidden apps. And if you want to unhide the hidden apps, just open the security app. Now from here, just swipe down and tap on hidden apps. Now from here, just disable this toggle to unhide the hidden apps. Just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer and search for the hidden apps. Now as you can see, we have successfully unhidden the apps on our smartphone. And this is how you can hide the apps on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.